I'm going to show you how to connect your broker to your MT5. The first step is you need to open up your MT5 app, and now you're going to click on the left icon on the top there, and then manage accounts. And once we're in here, you're going to click the plus sign, and then we're going to tap in on the search button, and now go ahead and search your broker. For example, let's say you're using a broker that is called Accept. We're going to go ahead and search on the name, and tap on it. You're going to put on your login, your password, and the server you are using for that broker. And then after you're done with the process, then you want to go ahead and click login, and then that's how you connect it. We are done.